Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar kabira walhamdulillahi katsira wa subhanallahi bukratan wa asila. La ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh la nabiyya ba'dah. Innal hamdalillah alhamdulillahilladzi bi ni'matihi tatimmus shalihat wa bi fadlihi tatanazzalul khairat wal barakat wa bi taufiqihi tatanazzalul wa tatahaqqaqul maqasid wal ghayat. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh la nabiyya ba'dah. Faya ibadallah, inna yaumakum hada yaumu idil fitri was surur. Ahallallahu lakum at-ta'am wa harrama fihi as-siyam. Ma'adhalika surur fa'usikum wa nafsi bitaqwallah faqad fazal muttaqun. Qala Allah Ta'ala fi kitabihil karim, ya ayyuhalladzina amanu ittaqullaha haqqa tuqatih wa la tamutunna illa wa antum muslimun. Wa qala ta'ala aidan fi kitabihil karim, a'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim, bismillahirrahmanirrahim, wa idz qala rabbuka lil malaikati inni ja'ilun fil ardi khalifah. Al-ayah. Amma ba'd. All dear brothers and sisters in Islam, today we have passed 20 days during the month of Ramadan. During the days of Ramadan, we have performed our fasting. And today we are celebrating Idul Fitri, the day of joys, the day of appreciation, the day of happiness. And in this regard, nothing we need to say, we need to do is other than to be grateful, to be thankful. And among the realization of such thankfulness is to take some lesson from this Idul Fitr. In this regard, let us take a deeper look at the meaning of Idul Fitr itself, and let us investigate how far it is related to the notion, to the idea of leadership. Why leadership here is important? So we relate it to the lesson that we can take from Idul Fitri, simply because leadership is among the determining factors in our society. If leadership is good, if leadership is correct, is sincere, inshallah our society will be prosperous, will be good, will be no disorder, inshallah. Otherwise, if leadership is corrupt, if leadership is bad, nasty, there is great potential that our society will be the same, will be full of disorder, and will suffer from a myriad of calamities and crises. So there are two lessons that we can take from Idul Fitri pertaining to the issue of leadership. First, let us refer to one Quranic verse that we have mentioned. Wa idh qala rabbuka lil malaikati inni ja'ilun fil ardi khalifah. Be reminded when Allah said to the angels, inni ja'ilun fil ardi khalifah. O angels, I will assign, I will create human being in this world as my vicegerent, as my successors. as my Khalifatullah. So from here, we know that if Idul Fitri means to return, Idul Fitri meaning to return to our innate nature, to return to our original nature. So in terms of leadership, actually we are by default, originally, genuinely is created as a leader. Inni ja'ilun fil ardi khalifah. The question is then, how to be a good leader? In this regard, let us refer also to another Arabic reference, takhallaqu bi akhlaqillah. Takhallaqu bi akhlaqillah. Behave, all dear brothers and sisters in Islam, behave all the people of Muslim Ummah in your daily lives based on the behaviors of Allah, based on the ethical, on the moral ethics of Allah, on the moral ethic that Allah has stipulated. So we can know then that a genuine Muslim leader is the one who acts, who behaves, who issues policy based on the moral ethics that Allah has stipulated. Otherwise, he cannot be called a genuine Muslim leader. All dear brothers and sisters in Islam, however, and this is the second lesson we can take from Idul Fitri, leadership has degrees, leadership has levels, from individual level to family level to friendship level until to the highest level, which I'm going to call the leader of the Ummah. In terms of individual level, actually in our daily lives, we are trying to be leader. Allah has says, وَهَدَيْنَاهُ النَّجْدَيْنِ. We already granted human beings two orientation, najdain. Both orientation to do good deed and orientation to commit a sin. Actually, in our daily lives, we are trying to control ourselves. We are trying to manage ourselves. And we are trying to lead ourselves to a better direction, which is Allah has stipulated. And then, from individual level to family level, to friendship level, and the last time that I'm going to stressing here, in the communal level, in the level of the leader of the Ummah. There is a fascinating fact. Ummah, when we talk about Ummah, the word Ummah itself has two derived words. Ummah means amma ya ummu, which means to return, There are two derived words from ummah, imam and ma'mum. Imam is called imam simply because he is the one that all ma'mum should return in terms of prayer movement. It is the same with mother, ummi in Indonesian language, ummi, mother. Is called because she is the one and almost the only one that all the members of a family will return to her. So in this regard, we can conclude that a genuine leader of the Ummah is a kind of leader who defines, who establishes the interest of public, the interest of Ummah, the interest of Muslim people, and even the interest of people of other religion as the compass of his policy, as the compass of behavior. Without that, he cannot be called the genuine leader of the ummah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. Allah. Allah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. Alhamdulillahilladzi hadana lihada wa ma kunna linahtadiya laula an hadana Allah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh la nabiyya ba'dah. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. Faya ibadallah ayyuhal mu'minun ittaqullaha haqqa tuqatih wa la tamutunna illa wa antum muslimun. All dear brothers and sisters in Islam, as a conclusion in this brief khutbah, let us refer to the last Arabic reference, kaifa takunu yuwalla alaikum. I repeat, and because this is the stressing point we need to know, kaifa takunu yuwalla alaikum. All of us want to be granted a good leader, for sure. But we should realize that a good leader, a genuine leader, is not born directly from the heaven, not directly born from the sky. A genuine leader is born from within society. And a good society is actually the accumulation of huge number of good individuals. So, kaifa takunu yuwalla alaikum means the way you behave in your daily lives, in your office, in your society, the way you behave actually determines how you will be governed. The way you behave actually determines how you will be governed. So, we of course need a good leader, and we should again realize that a good leader is born from within society. So, criticizing leader is important and even necessary to create balance. But we at first should point our finger to ourselves, to yourself, to me, to you, to us. How good are we to ourselves? How good are we to our family? How good are we to our friends and colleagues? How good are we to our Muslim people? How good are we even to people of other religion? So this is the important and stressing point in this brief khutbah. Hopefully this Idul Fitri bring us changes in our life, in our society life, and in our ummah. Oh Allah, grant us good behavior and improve our existing behavior. Oh Allah, grant us good friend and improve our existing friends. Oh Allah, grant us our children, good children, and improve our existing children. And finally, oh Allah, grant us good leader and improve our existing leaders. Allahumma ighfir lil mu'minina wal mu'minat wal muslimina wal muslimat al ahya minhum wal amwat. Allahumma arinal haqqa haqqa warzuqna ittiba'a wa arinal batila batila warzuqna ijtinabah. Allahumma aslih lana dinana alladhi huwa ismatu amrina wa aslih lana dunyana allati fiha ma'ashuna وأصلح لنا آخرتنا التي إليها معادنا واجعل الحياة زيادة لنا في كل خير واجعل الموت راحة لنا من كل شر. اللهم اغفر لنا ذنوبنا وذنوب والدينا وارحمهما كما ربيانا صغارا. ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين واجعلنا للمتقين إماما. عباد الله إن الله يأمر بالعدل والإحسان وإيتاء ذي القربى وينهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر والبغي يعظكم لعلكم تذكرون فاذكروا الله العظيم يذكركم واشكروا على نعمه يزدكم ولذكر الله أكبر. Jazakumullah ma'atabit tamaniyat kullu am wa antum bi khair. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.